Crossdressing is a journey of self-discovery and confidence. Take it at your own pace and enjoy the process. Now let's dive in and explore 6 tips to perfect your look and style. To begin with, prepare for your crossdressing journey. Understand that crossdressing is a form of self-expression that lets you embrace your desired look and style. Emulate the fashion of your favorite female celebrity or influencer, and then choose the feminine clothing and accessories that resonate with you. Whether that's tight skirts, mini dresses, sissy panties, or sexy lingerie. Next, focus on sculpting your body and enhancing your silhouette. Use body shapers, corsets, padded panties, and breast forms to create a more feminine figure. Consider tucking panties to discreetly smooth out your appearance. Additionally, invest time in mastering makeup techniques and hairstyling. Shave unwanted body hair and explore tutorials on YouTube or Instagram for makeup and skincare tips. Choose a wig you love and style it to perfection, or care for your natural hair. Adopt a feminine persona by practicing a softer voice and graceful gestures. Stand before a mirror to refine your posture, movements, and expressions. When you're ready, step out in public with confidence. Choose safe and welcoming environments, such as LGBTQ+ friendly cafes and parks. And remember to bring essential items like your makeup kit, wipes, mirror, and hairpins. Finally, enjoy the shopping experience. Exploring girly items can be a fun and rewarding adventure. Experiment with different clothes and fabrics, and rely on store assistants or online support for guidance on sizes and styles.